Hey guys, it's Young Wealth, and today we have a juicy ICP video because today we're gonna break down the possibilities and the actual process and method to make a million with ICP. Now, we do have the graph on deck today. I made a graph with calculation to see how much it will actually cost. But before we do that, we're going to look at the price point a little, and then we're going to get to the graph that's going to make you $1 million, right? Now, when it comes to ICP, the price point is plummeting. I'm not going to even lie to you guys. It was at tops around $10. And it's around $7.86 now. So it's just like, this is opportunity. When others see chaos and destruction, you see a chance and opportunity. Just understand that. Like, if we go on the yearly, it's still up. The lows were around $3. So we are still actually a double up or a double plus up. So I'm not really worried about anything. And I feel like once the bull run actually commences, we will actually see ICP do multiple X's. Now we have that out of the way, right? Let's actually look at how much money you need to make $1 million with ICP. Now, as you can see, right, we have on top, it says super long-term predictions, then the price, earnings, which is $1 million for all of them, ICP needed and cost to buy, right? And at the left side of the column, I have the projected market caps of the long term around 2025 to 2030, right? Mostly 2030, because at the end of the day, to be $1 million of ICP in 2025, unless we hit 50 billion plus, you're gonna need a lot of money and a lot of investment. So I've already just started off at high market caps, right? So the first market cap is actually 50 billion market cap, right? Now, if ICP reaches a 50 billion market cap, that'll put the price point at around $105.93. And to make $1 million, you would need 9,440 ICP, right? And to actually buy 9,440 ICP, it's going to cost you $73,961. Now, I know to a lot of you kind of panicking when I've said that because you know you don't have $73,000, but this is where diversification comes in handy, right? Because guys, your life can literally change with $1,000 with a quick play. Now, why do I say a quick play? Because when we talk about 2025, it's coming around very quick, right? And if you was to actually put like 1,000, let's just get a calculator, right? If you was to actually find another coin that had a lower market cap and could grow a bit quicker than ICP in the short term, then if you put 1,500 into a coin that you've seen could do a 10-15x within a few months, guess what? That 10-15x has now provided you with damn near a third of what you need to actually own to make $1 million ICP at the price point or the market cap of $50 billion. So I feel like it's always important to actually spread some of your money into different tokens that can grow at different times, because not everything grows at the same time. And if ICP takes long to take off, then at the end of the day, you will have more and a better opportunity to make $1 million investing into some other coins also to make some quicker X's. So with that being said, let's get into the actual other price prediction right now. 100 billion market cap. Now, 100 billion market cap in this bull run, I feel like it is possible depending on how high the total market cap of the whole crypto and blockchain market goes and how high it is put together, right? Because 100 billion for something that is superior and will replace the traditional internet is not off the table at all. So if you had 100 billion market cap, right, the price point would be around $211. To make $1 million with a $211 ICP, you would need 4,720 ICP, which is going to cost you around $37,000, right? Just understand that it's going to cost you $37,000, but it's funny because if you just had like a coin at 20x and you put 1.5K into that, it would be $30,000, and you could take the profit from that coin you made the 20x from and actually invest it back into ICP, a more long-term stable play, okay? A more guaranteed play, which is less risky. So at the end of the day, like, I know you're probably going to be thinking, what coins can I buy? That's all down to you to do the research on buying coins. But if you want further information, join the page. We have plenty of gems over there that have did 10x. Like I seen a coin that I didn't get into, but I was going to get into. It did a 10x in a few days, and that annoyed me. So it's like these plays are actually everywhere, right? To speed up the chances of you becoming an ICP millionaire. Now, 150 billion market cap for ICP will put the price point at $317. Now, once again, $150 billion market cap is not realistic when we're looking at 2029. If I'm being real with you guys, we don't have to make $1 million of ICP tomorrow or 2025. Let's look at the long term, because more further the long term gets is the more adoption ICP will have. Remember that, right? But as I said, 150 billion market cap will put the price of ICP at $317, and to earn $1 million, you will need 3,137 or 3,147 ICP, and that will cost you around $24,000. Okay, it will cost you around $24,000, which is actually a reasonable amount to ask, considering if you turn that, as you almost damn near did a 50x, around a 45x, right? So it's like we can all accumulate over 5 figures in a quick speed of time. You just gotta keep doing research on what can make you money within this next year before ICP takes off. I'm just being honest. If you want it badly enough, you will get it, right? Now the next one is actually 200 billion market cap, right? Now that'll put the price per ICP at $423, and the earnings will be $1 million if you have 2,360 ICP, which will cost you around $18,512, right? So once again, as you see the market cap increase, the price ask gets lower. But 200 billion, in my humble opinion, will not happen in 2025, but will most likely happen in 2029, 2035. So just understand that, right? A lot of these targets and market cap targets, they will get ticked off over the long term, not in 2025. So the next target and the last target is 350 billion. Now, why I haven't made a target for 350 billion? Because once again, we're talking about a tech that don't require no old IT legacy. Okay, you don't require no servers. It don't require a lot of energy. So when ICP is being used and internet computers being used, there could be a billion or trillion users on the actual platform, and it will not slow down nor crash. Okay, so with that being said, if you have a 350 billion market cap, it will be a price point of $741, right? And to make $1 million, you would only need 1,348 ICP, which will cost you around $10,000 today. So just put that into perspective. Like with $10,000 in the long term, you'll be able to turn that into $1 million, just holding ICP and just waiting for the utilities to be more adopted and the bullish sentiment and narratives to come back around with ICP. It once was here. Like ICP has did decent growth from its actual lows, right? So just understand that it's probably like a 10x from its lows. So understand that when narratives come back around, coins could actually change their behavior very quickly. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just a short, informative one on how much money you need to make $1 million of ICP. I'll be back with more content real soon. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll be back later on. Peace.